The second most important point when we talk about granularity is that when we have a model that analyzes various risk events in a completely separate or independent basis, so separate analyses are done for each and every one of the potential risk events. Of course, that becomes very cumbersome and difficult to do at the asset level. That's why typically the question comes up around whether analysis can be done at the asset level. However, what is even more challenging, especially when you run a Monte-Carlo simulation, is the aggregation of the risk over or throughout the portfolio of your business, or in this case, the aggregation across all the attack surfaces, so you can see the overall business for the risk. And that aggregation is applicable not just for the attack surfaces, but across the organization unit, and then across the various risk events. As you can see, all the aggregations end up with the same average or expected result.